Report-It is a simple-to-use mobile app that allows users to anonymously and confidently submit information to participating organizations. This video will provide you with an overview on how to install and use Report-It. Let's begin by installing the Report-It app on your device. First, open an internet browser such as Chrome or Safari. Navigate to www.reportit.com. At reportit.com, select Get the App, and you will be automatically transferred to the appropriate app store. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Report-It app on your device. Once installed, accept the terms and allow Report-It to access your device. Upon opening the Report-It app, you will see several icons including New Report, Call 911, Messages, and My Locations. My Locations is where you can quickly connect to your saved favorites. You can also change your language or scan a QR code. Let's select New Report. You will then be provided a menu listing the categories of nearby organizations. Let's select Safe K-12 School Safety. After selecting a category, you may be provided a list of nearby reporting organizations within the category you selected. At this point, you can save a location to your favorites by swiping left on Apple devices or by selecting the star on Android devices. Locations saved to favorites are easily accessible from My Locations on the home screen and will also enroll you to receive important safety and security messages. Let's create a report by selecting Wiley Elementary School. After selecting a reporting location, you will be provided important information on how to proceed, review, and select Next. You will then be presented with a simple questionnaire. Answer the questions regarding the nature of your concern and reporting relationship. Make changes to the date, time, and location of incident if required. Add additional information or comments. You can create a photo or video or attach one that you had created previously. All reports are submitted anonymously, but you can provide contact information if you choose to do so. Once the report is completed, select the Submit button to send the report. Your report will be sent securely, and you will be provided an on-screen confirmation. On the Messages tab, you will find information about the report you submitted, along with any reply. On the My Locations tab, you will find a list of your favorite organizations. There are many participating Report-It organizations, so install the app before you need it. And remember, if you see it, say it with Report-It. Please visit reportit.com for more information.